Good evening, dear teacher. I am going to introduce a member of my family what is very important to me. He is my father. His name Alirio Don Bejarano Garzón. He recently turned 60 years old. We celebrated with birthday not long ago with a lot of joy, but also with some melancholy. Cowing Tate the years are passing too quickly. He comes from the constraints and he moved to the city of Bogota to try his luck more than 30 years old. Through hard work and dedication, he managed to move forward with a fruit in vegetable business that, that he started as an entrepreneurial project. And to with this day it has Halloween whose to cover household expenses. Many teams enjoy the traditional Colombian hobby of flying tejo. It is a sport they loves to play with his friends, and he create them doing it. They also travels often to hometown Ubala, Cundinamarca, and for him it feels as if it were the first time visiting every time the house. He enjoys it a lot. He feels fulfilled doing constraints activity shows has taken care of the cows. Cutting grass in removing weeds, saying he happy comforts me. Sometimes I wish he would leave the business and dedicate himself to resting at the range, doing everything he loves. But he also know he keeps working to be with me help me in the moments when when I need him the most. I wish I could wipe back everything he was done for me doubled. He is, he is one of those people who sometimes because of his stubbornness and toughness domes so much affection. But I could not take that light. He knows he's full of love for me. This is summary of how great my father truly is. Thank you very much.